Ready to turn your janitorial team into pros? Introducing JaniTrain's Custodial Onboarding. With 24/7 access for an entire year, your staff can dive into our evolving library of courses anytime, anywhere. This learning bundle includes 5 interactive modules: cleaning best practices, carpet care, hard floor care, health and safety, and restroom care, all designed to jumpstart custodial learning for you. Each module comes with knowledge checks that lead to certification, ensuring your team masters the essentials before they enter a job site. This foundational training allows new hires to be ready for your skills training on site, which saves you time and money. Efficient onboarding? Check. Cost effective? Absolutely, Earl. Why not invest less than $50 to start them on the right track? Now that's a no-brainer for any professional operation like yours. Retain your employees and set them up for long-term success with the JaniTrain learning from the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. Enroll them today and watch as their first week blossoms into a career. Let JaniTrain and the Academy of Cleaning be your professional partners to custodial excellence and staff retention.